Hello everyone, so this is the fourth day of me growing my YouTube channel from 0 to 1 million subscribers. So let's get into the statistics. These are my top videos from these 4 days. This one is the best performing. It has 167 views. These are the top 10. I think I nailed the thumbnail style. I really like them. I hope you are enjoying them too. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, here are the statistics. I have 720 views. Watch time is quite good, 21 hours, and a total of 10 subscribers, which is very good. Yesterday was the first day when my growth wasn't exponential. The rate of the growth wasn't growing, but yeah, it's still quite good. The impressions, 3,200. Impression click-through rate is quite stable. It's around 8%. Playlist is the best traffic source, so you guys are watching all the videos on the playlist together, like YouTube related, Instagram related videos. Yeah, let's see if we have some statistics regarding the audience. Oh, very interesting. 68% France, USA, Canada, but these statistics are still not quite accurate because YouTube needs a few days to process all the statistical data. But yeah, it's interesting. So that was it for this video. See you tomorrow. Subscribe, check out these playlists for more, and thanks for watching.